Hi guys, this is Vidhi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have tried to create this makeup look and I am very excited because I love how it turned out. If I had to attend a wedding, I would definitely go with this makeup look, and it is super simple, and all the products that I have used will be in the description, and I have given you a step-by-step description of how I did this makeup look. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video.
For my base, I'm using my favorite moisturizer by Sebamed. It makes my skin feel so hydrated and fresh. This is just a part of prepping your face, as you do not want to harm your skin by directly applying a foundation. Also, we are in the month of December and your skin is going to feel so itchy and dry, so moisturizer is a must. Now, I am applying a sunscreen. It's the Photostable Matte Finish Sunscreen. This one gets a bit too oily after 4-5 hours but does the work amazingly well. So, why am I applying a sunscreen? Because you are going to be under the sun, or you are going to face the camera, and you don't want those harmful UV rays to harm your skin. Hence, applying a sunscreen underneath your makeup is important. I am using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer to fill in my pores. Just apply it on the parts where you think you have pores. For me, it's my nose. Just push the product gently onto those areas. Today I'm using a special product which I bought from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I got this Max Strobe cream free from the sale, and it's a really tiny one, but I loved the shine it gave to my face. Also, it smells amazing. You can skip if you want to. If you want a reasonable one, you can use the Strobe cream by NYX. Our skin is all set for a full face of makeup now. For foundation, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade 105.5. Honestly, I loved how high coverage this was, and it just hides every dark spot that you might have on your face. And it was my first time using this product, so I'll tell you more about this once I have used it quite a few times on my face, and I'll review it on my channel really soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to take a beauty blender and spray some setting spray on it to make my makeup last longer. Also, you can use water instead of the setting spray. Now I'm taking my favorite LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer to hide those dark circles, because hey, our sleep schedule sucks. I love how versatile concealers can be. I have seen a few influencers use concealers irrespective of their genders, and that just speaks so much about makeup. It's versatile, so go get your hands on this. Also, do not forget to conceal your eyes. Now I'm going to bake my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This is done on the areas where you sweat a lot, and a loose powder just makes your liquid product stay on your face for a really long time. I'm gonna leave the powder on my face till I do my eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm using this all-in-one multi-purpose palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna use the shades Sweet and Sour and Chocolate Orange for the base. I'm using a very reasonable flat brush, or you can simply use your fingers. Apply it all over your eyelids. I use the orange color as my outfit is orange in color. You can simply go for a pink or brown one if you have no clue as to what would suit your outfit. I'm taking a puffy brush now and taking off all the excess powder from my face. I'm gonna do a golden pink sort of shimmery look. For shimmer shades, I'm using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette and I'm using the shade Supernova. I'm gonna put up a Black Friday haul really soon on my channel and I'll talk about this palette in detail in that video. I'm simply putting it all over my base shadow. Now I'm using the shade Gold Glitch along with Galaxy for gold shimmer. You can also use the Makeup Revolution palette that I showed before. It has some gold and pink shimmer shades too. I applied the shimmer shades using my fingers as it gets you the most amount of product. Using the golden shades in the center and mixing it with the pink shimmer. For eyebrows, I am using the Makeup Revolution palette and the shades that I used were Brownies and Reputation. That gives you a very natural look. Now I'm using the shade Cheesecake for contour. I'm not gonna contour a lot. I'm just doing it below my cheekbones. Now I'm taking a puffy brush and applying the Kiko Milani blush. I have clearly applied a lot. Who doesn't love rosy cheeks? Also, do not forget to apply a lip balm before you start with your lipstick. I'm using two lipsticks today, I Play by L'Oreal and Dilly by Nykaa, and I am gonna mix the two. Now I'm applying the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Now it's time to put on some eyelashes for a dramatic diva look. I'm using the NYX setting spray and I am gonna spray it all over my face. Honestly, it was my first time using a setting spray, but I actually saw a really big difference. My skin looked so dewy after using this. Let it dry and then use a highlighter. I'm using the Master Chrome highlighter on my high points. Quickly going to change my outfit. I'm simply putting a bindi. Now I'm going to use the NYX Strobe cream on my body for some glow. And the highlighter on my collarbones.
So guys, that's all from my side. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. Also, if you have already subscribed to my channel, please come and say hi to me in the comments. I would love to know you. I have done a few makeup, beauty and fitness related videos on my channel, so make sure you watch this, and I am going to link everything in the description box below. I'll see you next time. Bye.